Croissant, it's huge.
Muy buenos días. Estamos por eso a lo largo del fin de semana. Hoy todavía tenemos que hablar de lluvias en el este del país, con una cota de nieve que baja, porque también luego sabéis. Y el domingo un frente muy desgastado en el noroeste.
Okay. It is like 8:30 or maybe a little past that. It's 10 miles to the next place. So I got a coffee to go because that'll be like 4 hours of walking. It smells like freshly baked bread. That's like why I had to have the croissant, because I was like, it smells so good. Like fresh baked bread. Oh my god. So that was so nice. So yeah, I will chat more when I'm not near traffic. Wow. Look at that rainbow. It's so bright at the bottom. Amazing. Rainbow. So believe it or not, it was raining enough for me to get all wet and then have to bundle up into my rain gear. It's just like kind of misting, but then sometimes it'll start like really raining and then misting and then raining. So hopefully we get through these clouds. Wow, it's kind of, there's some blue sky parts. Oh, hopefully telling that the rain won't last all day. So great. Okay, so I should have tried to route this while I was in the field, because now I think I'm pretty much along this highway. Thank goodness on a dirt road though. The highway's right there. But oh my god, I'm on my period. So I took medicine, but I'm cramping up and I'm tired and I just like want to lay down so bad. And all my emotions are just like, I don't want to walk. I don't want to walk. So I should have taken a little bit more medicine probably, but I think I took some right when I woke up and then I took a little bit more about 30 minutes ago. But boy, oh boy, just, I look so silly too. Hello, this is real life. Yeah, I don't feel good. I can't wait till this is over. Usually it's like only really bad for like 2 or 3 days. And it's just like, I think back to all the other trails, it's like I would always just walk through it, hike through it, and it was always terrible. But I guess it's just pain, and I can actually use my breath a lot more, because that's the other thing that feels like healing when you're just hurting and you have to keep going. So I really might just stay in Najara tonight because it's only like, I think less than 11 miles total. Like 7 more miles to get there, and I just am gonna keel over at a cafe for a few hours, see if I feel better. But it's like 20 more, it's like 20 more, it's 20 miles from here. So it would just be a really long day to be on my period on the first day, like my first day of the period. So I don't know. And then maybe the group will catch up to me, which should be fun. Because I think they'll be here tonight, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't feel good. And I'm walking next to a highway. I'm on dirt roads, so I'm very thankful for that. Oh, gosh. Yeah, it's pretty much, I'm just like moaning and groaning and breathing. Whoa, interesting. Okay, I was wrong. It does turn off the highway for a couple miles, so that's nice. We actually go through this tiny little town, and then I'll be back near the highway into Najara.
Queda la cuestión de qué le dejemos. El BN tiene que resultar los auténticos.
Okay, I sat down and had a muffin for like 20 minutes. That was nice. I think I have like a little less than 6 miles to go. So a couple more hours, I think. I don't know. I'll check the map. Yeah. 6 miles. 6.5 to go. It's like 10:25 maybe a.m. obviously. Okay, so just getting to Najara, and it's like kind of like a bigger city on the outside, and then usually the oldest part is in the middle. So walking towards that because it's usually where all the albergues are. I'm excited to see a big church probably and some amazing old buildings as I get closer. Met a few new pilgrims on the walk-in, so that's fun. Still wondering if the group I was with will catch up today, and still wondering if I'm gonna go farther, so we'll see. Wow, that is one beautiful backdrop behind these really beautiful buildings and the river. I love that water brings us together. Okay? Got a little sandwich, hanging out with some other pilgrims. They just went up to order, and it feels good to sit down.
Fucking glasses. Well, you can sort of remember more or less where it's going to be. I have no idea. I can't see it. What's the name of the place? No idea. What's not to look at? If you can't tell me what I'm looking at. Right. Give me the glasses back.
finding food. Found Ellison. Veggies look so nice.
I'm making pasta.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Pasta sounds really good.
Okay, great, good to know.
It's fantastic.
Yeah, that's my pleasure.
Okay.